Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Honda Jazz wiper blades. First, gather your new wiper blades and a soft cloth. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield, being careful not to let it snap back. Place a towel or cardboard on the glass to protect it. Always ensure your vehicle is safely parked with the engine off before you begin. Now, let's remove the old blades. Look for a small tab or clip where the blade connects to the arm. Press this release tab and carefully slide the old blade off. It's super important to hold the wiper arm firmly at all times. This prevents it from snapping back and potentially damaging your windshield. Take a moment to observe how the old blade was attached. Installing the new blade is straightforward. Align the new wiper blade with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade firmly into place until you hear a satisfying click, ensuring it's secure. Then, very gently lower the entire wiper arm back onto the windshield. Remember to repeat these exact steps for the other wiper blade on your vehicle. You're almost done. Finally, it's time to test your new wipers. Turn on your vehicle and use the windshield washer fluid to activate them. Watch for smooth, streak-free operation across the entire glass surface. For optimal performance, remember to clean your windshield regularly. Most experts recommend replacing your wiper blades every 6 to 12 months, depending on usage and weather conditions. Great job!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.